The video today. I wasn't gonna really initially do this video, but a package came in the mail and it's something strictly for men, which you don't find a lot of things for men that's like skincare, because females are just all about skincare and think that men shouldn't care about skincare, but guess what? This man does. And at the time I'm filming this, I'll be 13 tomorrow, and like actually in about 1 hour, so I gotta hurry up and film this so I can go to bed. So yeah. This is, I don't know what this is, but it's like a Dove Men Plus Care Clean Comfort Grooming Kit. It has body wash and face wash, deodorant, spray deodorant. Care makes a man stronger. Yes, it does. Let's find a way to open this thing up. No, I know what you guys are thinking. Brandon, why are you doing an unboxing video about this? At this point, I just do an unboxing video about anything I can do an unboxing video about. So, and we got the quinoa tomorrow. We're all gonna be walking in smelling like we just so freshly groomed. Okay, get off me. Get off me. You're not important here, tape. Whoa! That scared me. This is the first unboxing video I've done in forever. I don't know which way to take it out. I'll take it out this way. Oh, nice packaging. Props to them. Okay. Okay. I'm probably gonna have to like, I don't know, but yeah, let's do like this. Oh, it's gray. Smells okay, I guess. Actually smells really good. You know, it smells really good. I take that back. It smells like incredible. If only you guys could smell. I'm so sorry you can't. Now this is new and improved formulation. I hate when deodorants have this because it's so hard to take them off. I just filmed a lot of fun videos, and I actually wasn't really saying I'm gonna do this video, but I was like, I haven't posted an unboxing video or anything like this. But one, I haven't posted an unboxing video in forever. Two, I haven't posted any video like with skincare ever. So it's like, that was even all the more reason to do this video. Here's the problem though, I'm not able to, okay, oh thank you. Now let's push you up. Oh, oh my god. This smells amazing. Okay, and last but not least, we have this. And it's the same clean and comfort. And the thing is, I have this one. It's Axe, but I've run out. And we had this since August of last year when Matthew and Cameron came. And it's all gone. So let's body spray stuff. Oh my god. Oh. If only you guys can smell this. They're all clean, comfort, and they all smell so good. I don't like you guys understand. I mean, obviously you don't understand because you can't smell it. But it's like, oh my god, it smells so. Oh. Oh my god. Okay, well tomorrow we have the quinoa, so I gotta go to bed. And I also want to wake up and be like, I'm 13, so I gotta go to bed, and I gotta wake up early so I can take a shower, and, I mean, this past couple of days, I've been waking up at 11 something, because I've been up late helping my mom and dad with my sister, so I can't be doing this tonight, because we got the quinoa tomorrow, and I have to be there, so, and it's at 1, and I've been waking up at 11, so it takes me a while to wake up. I have to have my morning joe, then it takes a while for it to kick in, and then I gotta take a shower, and then I gotta get dressed, and then it's just like, no, I don't have time for this. So tonight, tomorrow morning, tonight, I'm gonna get a nice rest so I can wake up and use all of these beautiful products that came in the mail. Actually, that's a lot, they didn't come in my mail. My mom brought them today, and she just got home. I'm in love with a lot of Bath & Body Works products, so we have hand soap for days. Alright guys, thank you guys for this video. Stay tuned for some really cool videos. I filmed a video with slime. Like, oh my god, I don't know if that video came out. Well, probably, I'll know when I post this video, but like, as I'm speaking, I don't know. But I also filmed a video with this. I haven't filmed a Nintendo Switch video with playing the actual video game in Nintendo Switch in a long time. So, since last April, which is crazy. So, yeah, guys, bye!